Take it back now. Now that you have the ball, take it back.
He has the ball.
Oh my god.
He's guarding too tightly. No. Don't pretend like you meant.
Yeah, you know, I'm just that good. Nothing crazy.
That's good deep.
God, damn.
Yeah.
2-0. Wait. Bob.
Why is Greg getting a touch?
Because he turned off his prize. Oh!
What the hell? What is this play style?
He really just wants to go for the block. He wants a blocking stat no matter what.
Like I kind of had it. 3-1. Go. Now time. Oh goddamn. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No. Again. Oh yeah.
Bob, that's your guy. What?
I got stuck on him. Look where he's at. I got stuck on him. Love it. Oh shoot, my bad.
This guy's sleeping.
4. No, it's why are you so far?
Oh, that was 2. What the hell? Oh, look at that touchdown.
Oh, look at that touchdown. Look at that touchdown.
12.
Oh my god.
Dog
No.
years.
How old is that? Okay, yeah. Oh!
Woo! Oh, look, it's wide open.
Don't get on his ass, bro.
What was that? Why did you shoot a floater there?
What the hell? I was looking around. Let's go!
Good shot.
Oh my god! No.
I don't think he expected you to hit. What the hell?
You're fire! What the hell? Oh no! Oh!
6? Okay, buddy. What the?
Why is my team so confused on this?
Oh!
Guys, his passes are so obvious. You cannot get surprised by this.
2-on-1 now. What?
The wall was wide open.
Ah.
Yeah, we led.
Oh yeah.
Wait! His heart! His heart!
Put it back
I'm
down.
not fast, bro.
I'm not gonna pass if you have that. You have to turn it back.
He passed you. He's full of love.
Okay, are you getting to 6? What is this guy doing, bro? This guy's open 3 on wide open 3. I don't know why you're not. Hold on. Anything you can do?
I mean, I had to be in right shoulder, okay? So joke's on you.
I was lightly contested. You were wide open.
What about 10-2? they would have raced this thing down. Oh, that was a... Ah! Oh, I just got to work. The wall's wide open. You know why I didn't make it? Oh!
Dude, the funny part is when you reach like this, I can literally see the rip in between your hands. It looked like a field goal.
Yang, yang, yang. I got your Uncle Bob right. Ah. Unbelievable. 23. Yeah, please go ahead.
In this wind.
Alright, there you go. Oh, I've been oral loss if you missed that. I never missed. No Bob. Ah, don't pass it to him.
Even if he's wide open.
Alright, we're going to plow him over. What's that?
Oh!
The most obvious Sassans of all time.
Just to do a jump kick on someone that was never even up hit the ball. So. Shoot it for game. Shoot it. Shoot it three. Shoot it. Oh!
That's fine. That was more than
Nice. I'm horrible. Really?
I'm not gonna pass it if you have that. You have to turn it. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Turn it.
Oh, half and half. You only thought you could catch it with left hand.
Nope, not passing.
That's all you. Oh. Oh.
Bob, go!
Oh,
too high.
too high.
You can open that fence.
Oh, can you?
Yeah.
Wait, where? Drew does it every day.
Yeah, I do that every
opens
day.
every day just for progress. I do that he throws the
Right
ball
there,
over
like
just
that
to
bracket is missing on those two fences.
like throwing the ball over the fence just to I just went for that. What the hell? Oh, he can accept it, he can't give it up. If you turn it, I'll give it to you. Just turn. Oh, just turn. Nah. Be steady for Sassans. Yeah, I think I passed away there. Is that GG? No, it's not. Oh, that's fine. Give it back.
What is the first point?
No, they have like 5. 5.
No way you're talking.
I did an air ball.
Yeah, I only missed 4 of my 5 shots.
5, I don't know. Shoot it. The 3, yep. Oh! Oh!
That was actually really close. What the? I knew you were there. Why is he backing up? Okay. 14. What the fuck?
Oh!
Alright, this is a chance. We got
Okay.
to on the ropes.
Come back, man.
We got them on the ropes!
Where's my man?
Hey! I was about to pass
He
it.
doesn't want the ball, bro.
I was about to pass it.
Tired. Why would you buy a shirt where you always struggle with?
That's true. Why do you have a toggle on the toggle off shirt?
He's not passing it.
MVP!
Oh, MVP.
Oh!
Mahomes, don't worry.
Mahomes?
What the hell?
Oh, the indirect pass. Oh my god!
Turn it. What's not gonna go in? Yeah, I know.
You have to turn it.
What the hell?
My bad. Oh!
Look to your
Down
left.
him, down him.
Ooh, got me. Give me 3. That's all on me. They're gonna miss the over 3s now. That's what
Is
it's
this a alley free from like
Hey, little, I'll just first. Nice, good defense. That was good.
Hey, dude, we're choking. Oh, shoot.
Oh.
What the? Almost. Oh.
Good job.
Good job.
Hey, boy.
Jay.
The gay gun. They used to be the ray gun, but now he's the gay gun.
Yeah, wow. This guy is
When he makes shots,
9,
they all go in. Dude, when he comes in, shots, they all start going in, dude.
Oh!
Supposed to be
I've never seen you do an underhanded layup, actually.
Okay.
You never